Hello welders. In this video we're going to talk about the purpose of home points and air moves in a program on the ESAB Cobot. So when I have a weld path set and the Cobot's in any old place and then the operator presses play, as you can see the Cobot moves straight to the weld path. Now if there was fixturing there or if the part was really big and it goes straight to the weld path from any old place on the grid here, it's going to collide with that, right? So what I can do is I can use home points and air moves to prevent that collision. So what I'm going to do is in my program I'm going to press the wizard wand in the top right corner, and then I'm going to press the green plus, and my blue teach light starts flashing, signaling that it's ready to be taught. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click the home icon under the add items menu, and then I'm going to press either add on the add items menu or I can press the blue teach button. And as you can see, I'm getting feedback from the app showing me that the home point has been added. And then what I can do is I can go click teach air moves, and then I can come out here. And that's where I want my air move to be at before it starts welding. Press my blue teach button, press save, and now I've tidied up my program to prevent collisions. So if we do what we did the first time, we'll do it on this side this time. And then I press play. You can see it goes home first, then to the air move, and then to the weld, preventing any possible collisions. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, keep it simple, Cobot.